10 things to do when you feel sad, hopeless, and defeated. Pain is pain. Chaos is chaos, no matter what it looks like to you. Never let anyone tell you your feelings are ridiculous. Don't ever think that you're overreacting. What your feelings are real, and you need to honor your emotion. Feel all the feels. Just don't stay there. The longer you stay down, the harder it is to get back up. Number 1, cry your eyes out. Crying is very therapeutic. Do it as often as you have to. Scream and cry into a pillow if you have to, but get those tears out. Number 2, call a friend. Pick one person you absolutely love talking to and just chat your cute little face off. You can talk about your problem if you think it will help, or you can use this as an opportunity to get your mind off of things. Just talk about anything, everything, silly things, and nothing. Sometimes we need to hear comforting words. Number 3, volunteer. You can't even imagine the power behind helping someone or something. Aka, furry critters in need. Your heart fills up, and then it explodes. You cry happy tear, and it honestly just gives you so much joy. Number 4, write yourself a love letter. A love letter to yourself is so powerful and therapeutic. In this letter, you tell yourself all the amazing and awesome things about yourself. You list all the reasons you shouldn't feel like a loser. You tell yourself to brush off your bum, pick yourself back up again. You can go on and on about how wonderfully amazing you are. Write out all the things you love about yourself and all your radiant and redeeming qualities. Number 5, put on some loud music and sing and dance. Choose the loudest, thrashiest music you have and love, and crank up the stereo. Or maybe you love country or jazz or whatever. Turn it up and rip off the knob. Dance, sing, jump around your house like a silly fool. Number 6, go for a walk. Another simple thing to do that we often overlook. For many of us, when we're feeling really sad, we don't want to get dressed and go out. We want to stay inside and cry and eat junk food. More on that later. But you can't stay there forever. Get your shoes on and get outside. You never know who you're going to run into, or what kind of super cool things can happen to you. Be open to surprises and chance meetings. Or maybe you'll just find and see little things that bring a smile to your face. Number 7, watch funny movies and eat junk food. Yes, I said it. Eat junk food, aka comfort food. They call it comfort food for a reason, because that's exactly what it does. And yes, I get that we may have a teeny sore belly in the morning, all depending on how much comfort food you consume the night before. But really, chocolate and chips and donuts and cake really do the soul good. Number 8, write a truth letter. This is where you get to write out all your anger, all your hurt, every damn emotion you feel about this person or thing. Get it all out. I know some people who have written truth letters that were 30 pages long. You write until you can't write anymore. This is something you can do every time you have a hateful or angry thoughts about this person or thing. Eventually, the thoughts won't show up so often. Number 9, set a timer. We already know we can't stay in this sad, dark place for too long, or it will consume us. After a few weeks of feeling like this, set a timer for 15 minutes twice a day. In this time, slot feel angry, sad, cry, scream, or do whatever else you have to do. But when the timer's up, try to compose yourself and shift your attention elsewhere, on your work, a hobby, helping a friend, anything other than your own problem. Number 10, have a me day. Even if you can't take the whole day, try to take at least a few hours to pamper yourself. Get a manicure or pedicure or do one for yourself at home. Get your hair done. Take yourself out on a date. Do something you enjoy, something that gets you into a state of flow. I think the most important thing to remember is that you must honor and feel your feelings. But you can't stay there. It's important to take steps to get back to your normal, whatever that looks like for you, or to accept that it's time to create a new normal. 10 toxic people you should stay away from. Toxic people defy logic. Some are unaware of the negative impact that they have on those around them, and others seem to derive satisfaction from creating turmoil in other people's lives. Here are 10 types of toxic people. Number 1, those who spread negativity all the time. Number 2, those who are judgmental. Number 3, those who are arrogant. Number 4, those who always play the victim. Number 5, those who always gossip. Number 6, those who are manipulators. Number 7, those who are jealous. Number 8, those who are chronic opinion givers. Number 9, those who are control freaks. Number 10, those who waste your time. Life is short. Do not waste your time and energy dealing with someone's toxic behavior. 10 brutally honest truths about life that nobody wants to admit. Number 1, happiness is not always about getting what you want. Number 2, fall in love with the soul, not the face. Number 3, without your health, nothing else matters. Even billionaires would trade their whole fortune to live when faced with death. Number 4, everyone leaves. Learn to survive alone. Number 5, if you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Number 6, your material wealth won't make you a better or happier person. Number 7, you can't be perfect, so holding yourself to unrealistic standards creates suffering. Number 8, your actions speak louder than your words, so you need to hold yourself accountable. Number 9, talent means nothing without consistent effort and practice. Number 10, your achievements and your success won't matter on your deathbed. You ever wonder why people find you so easy to be around? Why people are so comfortable around you? You can meet someone for the first time, and they're just dumping their life story into you, like they've known you for years. You ever wonder why you're attracting people like this? It's because you have a healing spirit. It's because the energy you carry is so powerful and so pure that just being around you can heal the hurt. The issue with that is there's people that seek out that energy, only to drain it just to try to fill their bottomless cups. That energy can be taken advantage of. That energy is how a healing spirit heals themselves. So be cautious of who you share that energy and protect your spirit. Don't be an idiot. 5 people that you need to stay away from. 90% of people have the 5th one surround them. Remember, it's essential to distance yourself from individuals who hinder your growth. You may want to save this video for later, so you can come back anytime. Number 1, negativity spreaders. Avoid those who constantly exude pessimism and drain your energy. Surround yourself with positive influences instead. Number 2, constant critics. Steer clear of people who offer unwarranted criticism without constructive feedback. Seek those who uplift and support your personal growth. Number 3, self-centered individual. Choose relationships based on mutual support and consideration. Avoid those who only think about themselves. Number 4, joy robbers. Stay away from individuals who cannot genuinely celebrate your successes or bring you happiness. Surround yourself with supportive and caring people. Number 5, manipulators. Be vigilant against those who try to control or exploit you. Surround yourself with honest and trustworthy individuals. Embrace positive influences. Let go of toxic relationships and watch your path to personal growth and happiness flourish.